Debs from Soul Harmony Yoga. We run online yoga courses, meditation courses, and health courses via our website, Soul Harmony Yoga. And today I wanted to go through some of the movements that I'm actually adding into some of our classes that we're filming at the moment. So we're traveling around Western Australia, filming our yoga classes that we then upload onto our website. And our new class that we're starting to film for is Yoga for Emotional Balance. And I wanted to link this in with the spinal work that we've been doing over the last few weeks on our Facebook Lives, because relaxation is a really key part of helping your body to reduce inflammation and to really help you to get to know where the tension is in your body so that you can release that tension and tightness. So I'll add on a 20-minute relaxation link for you that you can access at the end of this video. And this relaxation will really help you to, I'll guide you through the areas of your body that you can find that tension and really breathe through it. So when you notice tightness and tension in your body, and we'll do this with the movements that we do today as well, you can really start to use your breath to ease and allow that tension to dissipate from your body. And if you're struggling to find time for 20 minutes is really hard to relax, then this relaxation in particular is designed so that you can just do it in bed before you go to sleep at night. So sometimes I'll just have my phone on by the bed and I'll play a relaxation or a piece of music that'll help me to relax before I go to sleep, and then I'll turn it off. So if you've got your yoga mat ready, I'm going to invite you to come down into a lying position to start with. I said 3 postures, but there's always more. I've added another. So we've got 4 today. So the first one you'll be familiar with if you've been working with me on either in my classes or during the Facebook Lives. So we're just going to come down to lying and just bring your feet up towards your bottom, and just find as you lengthen out, you want to just lift your shoulders and just open the shoulder girdle up a little bit. And then we're just going to take the arms out to the sides, so my arms are flat on floor at shoulder height. We're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, just feel your spine relax along the mat. We're going to do that one more time. So we're going to take a breath in, and then just feeling your spine relax along the mat. One more time. In through the nose if you can. Relax your spine along the mat. Taking another breath in, and this time as we breathe out, I'm going to drop the knees down to one side. It doesn't matter which. You might want to have something propping your knees up for this. You might want to just get a cushion, and then if it's comfortable, just turning your head over to the opposite side of your legs. And then just closing your eyes, take a couple of breaths here, and just with each in-breath, just allow it to expand into your spine, and notice it's almost like the breath kind of gets stuck a little bit and then it moves on again. Or you'll feel a tightness or a tension. And then you're going to draw your abdominals back towards your spine. Inhale, knees raise up. Exhale. We'll drop down. Just have to move my little box to the opposite side. And again, if it's comfortable for your head, turn your head in the opposite direction to your knees. Noticing any difference on this side. And just breathing in and allowing the breath to fill that space that you're creating. Notice any areas where your breath gets stuck. And then we're going to draw the abdominals back towards the spine. Raise the knees up, rolling on to your side. We're going to come up into a comfortable seated position. And you're going to take your feet, the soles of your feet are going to come together. And you can, if you're really flexible in your hips, you can draw them right in, or you can have them out this way. Okay. And we're just going to take the hands either under the feet, you can wrap them around the ankles, around your shins. Just let your knees drop to the sides. And just, you'll feel this lovely stretch. We're going to do a yoga posture, Janusarasana, in a second. So this is a really good stretch to warm us up for that. So just feeling that length through your spine. Just maybe you want to give your head, neck a little stretch whilst we're here. And then just release your legs slightly forward. We're going to come into a more restorative posture here. So we're just going to let's try and get your hip bones towards the thighs and just let your body drop forward. And you want to lengthen out through your spine and just let your upper body relax. You might just feel a stretch at the back of the hips here. And again, just starting to tune into your breathing and excuse me, just notice any tightness that you feel and just be with that tightness, that tension. Just giving your breath permission to soften. So just a couple more breaths here. And then abdominal muscles are drawn back towards your spine and just using your core to lift your body up. Now for this next move, for our next stretch, you can either be cross-legged or if it's more comfortable for you to sit with your leg out, then feel free to do that. So we're just going to so this is a really lovely side stretch to get the tension out of the body. So we store so much of our tension, you know, we get kind of butterflies in our stomach. All of our emotional tension is stored here. And as we stretch the side of the body, we can tend to release quite a bit of that tension. So let's just take the right arm and place it down by the side of your body. I'm going to raise the left arm up and then just stretch. And just it's more letting the right side of your body relax. And you'll just start to feel gravity doing the work for you. So my right elbow's bent as I press down and I feel that stretch just out of the hip. Got to use a little bit of core here. Draw your abdominal muscles back towards your spine just a little. And then we're going to raise up. Oh, just notice the difference between the sides of your body. Oh, feels so good. I love these stretches, the side stretches. So we're going to raise left hand up. Actually, your right hand. Raise up. And just over in the little box to your left. And again, just bending into your elbow. I can see a few people. Oh, hello. Somebody just liked. I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't see your name. I do apologise. I think Julie's with me. I just about recognise the little car. And then raising up. Ah. Yeah. Hi, Julie. Hi, Siama. Okay, so our posture that we've been working into and just easing into is Janusarasana. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn onto my mat again, then I can use the full mat. We're going to bring the A leg up. This is my right leg, and I'll just show you this. I've just got my foot into the thigh. Now you may want to put a cushion under your thigh if you want a bit more support there. Quite a few people prefer to do that. And then you want to get your hips so that they're level. Okay. We're just going to bring the hands to rest on the thigh, and I'm just resting the other arm on my leg. I've got some length through the spine, lifting through the sternum. We're going to inhale. And we're going to lengthen through, exhale. So the movement's just from the lower back, bringing the hands down the side of the leg. Head just looks towards the leg, so you've got that straight back. Draw the abdominal muscles in as we draw back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And then this time we're going to hold. Exhale. So this is such a lovely posture to help to calm the nervous system. So you may be up here, you may be here, wherever you can get to, and we're not dropping down, just sort of lengthening out through your spine. And then abdominal muscles are drawn back, and then we straighten. I love this posture. And then we're going to do the same on the opposite side. So drawing the foot to the thigh, and you want to just have these toes sort of drawn back a little. We're going to inhale, raise up. Exhale, dropping forward. Inhale. Now if you're doing this in the morning, then obviously you'll notice your hamstrings are fairly tight, so just go easy with your hamstrings. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then we're just going to hold just for a couple of breaths, and again being aware of your breath filling your body. Just being with any areas of tension. And then drawing your abdominal muscles back towards your spine. We've completed our session. So we're just going to come to sit for just a couple of breaths. So whichever sitting position is comfortable for you. Just take a couple of breaths here. Closing your eyes if that's comfortable, just lengthening through your spine without putting any pressure on your spine. I'm just going to rest my hands onto my calves, or you can rest them on your knees. And just let your breath soften as you exhale. Just maybe feeling your thoughts are calming. Feeling that calmness in your heart. And feeling the whole of your body planted firmly on the ground. And then opening your eyes when you're ready. Thank you so much for joining me this morning, this evening, whatever time frame you're in and time zone. And if you like this video, please do share it with others, because it's the little videos that people like to watch that really help them to manage either whether it's dealing with tension or just managing to balance emotions and just feel a little bit calmer in their day. So thank you for joining me. Check us out, soulharmonyyoga.org, and don't forget to get your free 20-minute relaxation. I'll pop the link in to the comments box now. Namaste. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful sleep.